Hi guys, this is my first video on YouTube. I'm a service engineer in Scotland. I usually do AC, but for some reason I've been given an oil-fired boiler in sunny Edinburgh, which is kind of bizarre because it's city centre. I didn't think about this until I've done it, but sent down, motor's not running, fan's not running, and having watched Steve Lav fix numerous amounts of oil boilers along with a couple of other guys, I thought capacitor. So I metered the old capacitor. It's meant to be a 4 microfarad and I was down to 3 microfarads on the meter. So went and got a brand new capacitor, only 2 days because it's central Edinburgh and nobody stocks oil. And moment of truth time. There we go, it's fired up. Well, the motor's running. Let's see if it... And there we go, we have ignition. Yes, we have ignition. So, that's a Worcester Dainsmore kerosene boiler, and this is my first video for YouTube. Cheers guys.